Hi dinos, thanks for joining me for another worksheet episode of Shapes with Sharky Shark. How are my dinos doing? Better yet, how are my dino parents doing? Well, Sharky here thinks you're doing an excellent job at shaping our future dinos. Give yourself a big round of applause. You deserve it. Okay, just remember, the link is provided below in the show more buttons for you to print out the worksheet so we could do it together. If you can't print out the worksheet, don't worry. Just follow along. I'm just so happy you joined me today. Okay, are my dinos ready? Perfect. First, let's grab your favorite color crayon and let's write your name. Wow, your letters are getting so much sharper and better. So proud of you, dinos. Have you been practicing with your parents? Great job, dinos. Okay, now that we're done writing our name, let's read the directions. Help the 3D shape escape from the 2D world. Let's read it one more time. Help the 3D shape escape from the 2D world. Today's shape is a tetrahedron. Are you ready to see what a tetrahedron looks like? I'm ready. But first, let's color. We're going to color inside every single triangle you see, okay? The first triangle I'm going to color is orange. What color did you choose? Oh, I sure love that color. Don't worry, dinos. In this exercise, you could totally color outside the lines, because we are going to cut out the shape. Okay, now that we're done coloring the first triangle, I'm going to color the next triangle purple. What color did you choose? Oh, I love those colors, dinos. Great color. Now that I'm all done with the second triangle, I'm going to color the next one green. What color did you choose for this one? Oh, I love that color too. Wow, dinos, you guys have such a great color palette. Last but not least, the last triangle, which I think needs red. What color did you dinos choose for the last one? Oh, that's such a wonderful color. It goes great with your shirt that you're wearing. Now let's read the next directions. Cut out the shape and build it using glue or tape. Let's read it one more time. Cut out the shape and build it using glue or tape. And we need scissors. Ask a parent or an adult to help you cut out the shape. Unless you have safety scissors, then feel free to use those, okay? I trust my dinos. I know my dinos are safe. Don't you love the sound of cutting paper? It just sounds so relaxing for some reason, doesn't it? Now that we're done cutting the paper, we are going to fold each line. So we're going to fold the first line. Make sure you bend it hard. Now the side tab. turn it around to find the next line that isn't folded. We're almost done, dinos. You're doing such a great job. I'm so proud of you. Another tab we are going to fold over. Another line between the two shapes. And one last tab that's left over. Great job! Now hold the center triangle to your palm and just fold all the triangles upwards. You're going to tuck the tab beneath another triangle and you're going to tape it down. Great job! Now find the next tab and put the triangle on top and tape that piece down too. Great job! Now let's find the last tab and tuck it beneath the last triangle. And what do? Great job! We're going to tape it down. Just push down and here you have it. You have your tetrahedron. Isn't that so cool? Did you guess that it would look like that? Isn't it pretty? Look at all the colors on the sides. Whoa, dinos, check it out. It's a tetrahedron. Isn't that awesome? It could be like a horn. Do-do-do. Okay, dinos, I can't wait to see you next week for a brand new episode. Bye, my dinos.
Hi, everyone. To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks.